called it off the day before, and they're like, "Oh, we're not gonna do that again." Good morning, family. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to our channel, my crazy big black family on YouTube. Hope you guys are subscribed, and I hope you guys have been enjoying the vlogs. Oh, you have. Go check my last, I think it was 5 uploads I did in the last 4 to 5 hours. I released about 5 uploads, so go check them out. But this is a long content vlog. Welcome back to our channel, guys. Happy Tuesday. Yet again, the state of Massachusetts has blown smoke up my... You're probably like, what do you mean by that? Here's the scenario. Why the heck did these people, we gonna have a mass. Now, don't get me wrong. They said it was gonna snow for like 3 days this week, or maybe most of the week, actually, to be honest. Okay, we're from Massachusetts. Exactly. We're used to this. No worries. Next thing you know, they're like, it goes from it's gonna snow to, Monday, run, go get food, and it's going to be massive, this and that. Now, mind you, we had just picked up a couple of things the other day, but according to them, it's going to be detrimental. We need to get out. Close school and everything yesterday. Why did I wake up and look out the window and the street is black still?
The weather that cried wolf.
Exactly. Hashtag the weather that cried wolf.
Watch when
Story time.
Like you said, when it does really storm.
Guys, I gotta be honest with you. You know, being a meteorologist, which is a person who studies the weather, it must be a horrible job to have because people must come at you on a regular basis. You get up there, and I get it. It's a job. Just like everybody has their own position or their job, whatever they do. Their job is to predict the weather. Why do you guys keep getting it wrong lately? Just saying. You know what it is? It's global warming and Mother Nature. You guys can't predict what you really don't know is going to happen because nobody knows. Things are changing. What seems to be might going to happen, obviously is not going to. Or we're bungee jumping and moving too quick, and then it happens the next day. That's what's been happening. They say all this stuff. You get nothing. And then the next day, you get all this stuff, and then they don't call off school. Because they... So, what I mean by saying that, and to make a long story short, you know, all you could do is just pull with the punches and hope Mother Nature throws you what she chooses to throw you on that day. Because the way things are going, it's going to snow literally in April and May. I see that. I feel like wouldn't be surprised if it does in this state. 1. 2, you just can't get it right because you don't know. You can kind of...
I'm watching a squirrel. There was a squirrel out the window.
On the side of the thing right there.
He came through the window. Our thing.
Through the thing. Really?
Yes. So he's now apparently on the back porch. Oh my gosh.
He's probably the one who'll be out there messing with stuff too.
Yep.
So guys, again, if you are having bad weather wherever you're at, in your state, in your, wherever you're at, your city, your town, your country, wherever you're at, drive cautiously, be safe, be well, take precautions. But at this point, believe me, I live to listen to what the weather's gonna say. I get it. I know you can't always get it right, but it's like, come on. They literally made all this fuss Had me send my kids out last night again after we already just did shopping the other day. For nothing. You know why? Because probably it's going to do that today, not yesterday. Today it's going to do that. And then thus tomorrow will be bad. And then they will probably not call school off because they're going to be like, oh, we got it wrong yesterday. We don't want to do that. And then it will be needed. Tomato, tomato, potato, potato. Happy Tuesday, guys. Happy terrific Tuesday, because as you see, and I'll show you the news right now, our local news. Thank you, Gene. Our weatherman said, you know, on a day like this, when he was growing up, he would have been in school. Exactly. They kept those kids home today. Well, don't get me wrong, because they're saying in other towns and cities in my state, it's, you know, and I get that. It happens. Some places a little bit more. But come on. My town called off school, and there's absolutely not even 1 inch of snow on the pavement. On the sidewalk, I'm thinking I see maybe 1 inch of snow. In this state, we've been known to go to school at 4 or 5 inches. In my town where I live now, especially in the suburbs, because they're used to getting a lot of snow outside of Boston. Even Boston can get a lot of snow. That's a fact. Thus, the blizzard of 78. Google it if you don't know about it. The blizzard of 78 in Massachusetts. Ridiculous. So, you know, we're used to getting a lot of snow and, you know, having to walk in that. But 1 inch? And now they want to get on and, you know, I don't even want to be rude because, you know, like I said, I know the weather people nobody has it exactly right. But it's like, guys, just please don't keep blowing smoke up my... Just say you think you know what the weather's going to be. That'll make me feel better so I don't have to get all this manic and bugging out for nothing. Happy Tuesday, guys. Welcome to my channel. My Crazy Big Black Family. Get subscribed on this YouTube channel and on this YouTube app to My Crazy Big Black Family, and like, share, and subscribe to this video. Get our subscriber count up some more like y'all been doing. And subscribe to our other channel, Successful Wear LLC. Our other channel, God Inspires Life Coaching. Our other channel, Living My Black Girl Lifestyle. Bang! My other channel, Alyssa Costin on YouTube. Bang! My other channel, Angel Strange on YouTube. Bang! At Brooke and Brian on YouTube. Bang! Get subscribed. Bang, bang! Always, we coming to you with the family vibes. Let's get it crump. Up in her. Family style. Love you guys. Happy Tuesday. Bye. As you see, guys, save it. Snowing. Barely. I figured, what the hell? Let me just show you what I'm talking about. Give you a visual. So y'all think I'm blowing smoke up y'all's asses. Oops. Bloopers. Yeah, so you see that, that's our sidewalk. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. I'm thinking, like I said, barely 1 inch, not even 2. Or maybe, yeah, a good 1.5 to 2. Look at the pavement, the street, guys. And they talking about, oh, the plows came through. Ain't no plows needed to come through because it's barely on the freaking pavement. So, get it right, guys. Or don't. Just say what you think the weather's going to be. Feel me? Love you guys. I figured I'd come out here and show you guys what I was talking about. That they blew smoke about. They said it was going to be this horrible storm. We wouldn't be able to drive and all thing. You see this, guys? And they kept the kids out of school. Have a good one. Bye.